Hey team, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to create an auto trader for a debit spread. So that means that we're going to buy to open this spread. So if we're going to do that, first thing we need to do is click on Dashboard, click on Create an Auto Trader, click on Create. Then from there we're going to click on Debit Spreads. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to set up how we want this trade structured. So we're going to pick the symbol we want to do it on, our days until expiration, and then how we're going to pick the strike price. Again, we can pick it based on delta, out of the money dollar amount, out of the money percentage amount, or we can base it on a target option price. Now, since we're doing a spread, the second one also has an option for strike offset, so we can do a distance away from another one. So for instance, if this delta 25 for this first strike picks an expiration that, let's say, is $505, and we have this set to a strike offset of 5, then this will pick 505, and this will pick $5 away from this one. So this will pick 505, and this will pick 500. Again, this is for people who like a certain dollar distance with their spreads. Now, if you're doing a put debit spread, you're all good because we use puts here by default. If you're doing a call debit spread, make sure to change both of these to a call so we can do a call debit spread. Just like that, your debit spread is set up. Next, we define how often we want to enter this trade, once a week, multiple times, etc. Again, we can do it, select a specific day, a specific time if we want. There's also advanced entry settings here as well. If you want to trigger it based on an indicator, you'll use the TradingView integration. We'll say click Save and continue. Next, we'll manage our exits. So when we want to exit for take profit, when we want to exit for a stop loss, and our early management if we want to exit the trade early. There's, again, other advanced management settings here that you can click on to view, but those are the basics and what most people use. Moving on, next thing we'll do is set our buying power allocation. How much money do we want our bot to trade with? You can see here this bot will take about $1,000 per trade. So if that's true, then we need at least $1,000 set aside for this bot so they can place at least one trade. If we wanted to place 5 trades, then we need at least $5,000 in there because, again, each trade would cost $1,000, and this is showing you how much money across all your open trades you're allowed to use. Next, we'll click Save to continue. Then we'll get a summary of what's going to happen for this trade. Again, these are rough approximate metrics. But we'll look at the settings to make sure we understand that. If so, you'll click on the checkbox and click Save Auto Trader, and that's how you create a debit spread bot.